I'm going to show you how to recolor items that have already been flattened or merged. We're going to do that using Photoshop's Replace Color tool. I'm going to show you two ways of doing that. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to replace the color using a custom color that you want to use in your project. Here I have open a color palette and I'm going to go for this blue. So I'll use my eyedropper tool and click on it. Then I'll double click on the color icon and open up the color dialog box. And here you can see the code for the color that I'd like to use. I'm going to right click and copy that and then click OK. To begin, we'll go to Image, Adjustments, Replace Color. We'll use our eyedropper tool to click on the color we wish to replace. And in this case, I'm going for the pink. Then we'll click on Results, and then I'll come over here and paste in the code that I'd like to replace, and then click OK. Here you can see our color has been changed to the background and also the accent border. If you're not completely happy with the color, you can adjust the lightness of it and the saturation of it. If you change the hue, then you're going to be changing that color. When you're happy with your results, you'll click OK. And your next option for changing the color would be to go back into Image, Adjustments, Replace Color. Again, click on the color you wish to replace. In this case, it's going to be the blue. Now again, we're going to click on our color icon in Result. And this time, instead of pasting in a custom code, we're going to select a color using our sliding scale to select a color that looks like it may go well with our current scheme. And in this case, I'm going to go with a turquoise. When I'm happy with that, I'll click OK. And again, if you're not happy with the tone, you'll just adjust your lightness and saturation. And when you're done, click OK. And finally, for these dots inside, I would like those to be white. So what I'm going to do is go back into Image, Adjustments, Replace Color, and I'm going to use my eyedropper tool to click on the color I'd like to change. And this time, instead of selecting any colors, all I'm going to do is grab my saturation slider and drag it all the way over to the right and click OK. And now you'll see I've completely changed the color of my graphic.